This sunny afternoon, and I am at the Kollam Beach, one of the few beaches in Kerala which has got a vast coastline and has got lifeguard facility. Show you around. It's a beautiful beach, very quiet, very few people around, underutilized to be precise. So what are you waiting for? Just come over and enjoy this beautiful stretch of Kollam Beach, which stretches a long way. You can see the breakwaters in front, and right at the end of it you can see the Tangasheri lighthouse as well. It's a vast beach. Right next to it is the Mahatma Gandhi Park and the Children's Play Park, which has come up new, and then a couple of hotels. Here in Kollam, don't miss the opportunity to be here. A very quiet beach, surprisingly. Wonder why? Because it's spread out, it's vast. It's such a huge water frontage, such a huge beach. I wonder why people are not coming in here. So make it a point, if you're driving by, to drive through the coastal road. It's not a completely done up road, but the coastal road is there. It's being done up at quite a few places, so bear the trouble in between, but it's a beautiful stretch. So that's Kollam Beach for you from Tour with Shailesh. Bye bye.